Hey friends, it's Kat here at BJ's and we are going to do a construction update for March 2022. We are standing here in the high limit room. It is nearing completion. I'm getting kind of excited. We had carpet going in today. In this high limit room, we're gonna have roughly about 21 gaming machines, and they're gonna feature games such as Triple Fortune Dragon Unleashed, Buffalo Series, Colossal Diamonds, Timberwolf, and that's just to name a few of the games that are gonna be in here. We're excited to bring in a couple new games as well. We're gonna be bringing in Rake and Bacon Deluxe and Waves of Fortune. I'm excited to give those a try, but let's go take a quick look and let's see this new high limit room. I'll see you guys in a few. I'm glad that you were able to take this opportunity and join me in the new high limit room while we checked out its progress. I'm excited to see this room open and ready, and I can't wait to see you all in it. Bye, you guys.